Hi, I've been looking at the Prufrock poem again because I might write about it in my thesis. This is actually stuff that could be useful. But some of it I can't or won't be able to use until I can prove that Eliot had access to some information about hieroglyphics. So I thought I'd yap about it here. The poem opens with "Let us go then, you and I," a homophone of let us as in fertility symbolism in Egypt. Go as in went or won, the verb to be, which will be important later, or to leave as in left, sinister, and then original sin. The epigraph suggests that the forthcoming poem is the truth, words that would only be spoken upon knowing that you wouldn't survive in answer to an unspoken question. The overwhelm of the question in the line "to lead you to an overwhelming question" then has connotations with losing control, with the etymological root suggesting water through being engulfed, a surge, or submerged. The water may be a physical river or sea, but could also be a celestial river. So the idea of the question invokes the presence of an answer. The two are interchangeable and connected, entangled. There's a question mark nebula in Cepheus, the king of Ethiopia, married to Cassiopeia. The celestial answer could link with the answer star in Alpha Vulpeculi, the goose and little fox. I said it that way around because answer is the goose, which creates a link with Geb of Egypt and the Book of Job. Geb was Nut's brother / lover, likely a mistranslation of sister wife. And then in the Book of Job, there's suggestions of matriarchal links too. So Job 1:21, naked I came from my mother's womb, and naked shall I return there. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Notable questions in literature are Shakespeare's "to be or not to be," "to live or die," which is a win-win Sekat hair question, and "whom does the Grail serve" of Arthurian legends. These may be the same question and answer. Win also means we, linking with the opening you and I. Win can also mean open, that, cheat, error, sinful, and become bald. Our next encounter with the question is the line "there will be time to murder and create, and time for all the works and days of hands that lift and drop a question on your plate." Our ethereal unspoken question now has a location, the plate, dish or platter, evoking John the Baptist and Salome, a vessel, therefore the Grail. This is all several lines ahead of an actual reference to the prophet's head. So the next question we have is "to wonder, do I dare, and do I dare? Do I dare live?" This gives us the motto of the SAS, BAF, for the long-range desert group of World War I, "Who dares wins," and the German "War wagt gewinnt."